Alright.
Ay, pag-describe naman si Sir Kevin sa letter J.
J. Joyful. Brings positively and enthusiasm to every task, lifting the spirits of everyone around them.
Siya ay optimistic. He is positive, outlook, resilience, gratitude, solution-oriented, and encouraging people to cheer up everyone.
H. Honorable. Acts with integrity and ethics, earning respect and trust from colleagues and peers.
N. Nurturing. Provides support and encouragement, fostering growth and development in others.
K. Kind-hearted. Show compassion and understand. Always putting others will be in first.
Brings passion and vitality to every project, motivating others to follow. Thank you.
B. Visionary. He's a good teacher and in spite of him, he creatively and good family.
I. Inspirational. Leads by example, encouraging others to strive for excellence and embrace new challenges.
N for noble. Display a high level of character, leading with a sense of duty and dedication to both personal and team success.
Hi, sir. Birthday mo daw. Or birthday mo daw pala. Hindi ko nagsasabi sa amin, ha. Anyway, on behalf of QA department, we or I would like to express our appreciation for everything that you do to us, for your leadership, guidance, and yung ability mo po to motivate us. Especially me, na kahit mas limited ako sa inyo by age, pero naandun pa rin kayo. Very motivate, nakaka-inspire din po. And then, although hindi tayo lagi magkakasama, at paminsan-minsan na lang, sir, hindi ka pa napunta. Please. So, looking forward for continuous collaboration with you, and wishing you all the best, and happy birthday.
Happy birthday to